OK Furniture's summer of savings is here, and we bring the hit with sizzling deals. Explore our catalog for unbeatable savings on smartphones, sleep essentials, premium appliances, and more, and shop these must-haves by the 11th of January 2026. We've got everything you need for the set this season, online and in store at OK Furniture. Get them while they're hot and while stock lasts. T's and C's apply. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Fikile yaphela kumzansi Afrika i-African Cup of Nations. Itumente yamazwe yase-Afrika. Ndiyacinga uba inoba kushiyeke amaqela asibhozo. 8 teams are left in the tournament. I'm sure there's some matches playing tonight to confirm the quarter-finalists. Bafana were in the last 16 of the Cameroon. Sorry, they lost to Cameroon in the Morocco tournament. That's Bafana. Of course, these conversations we're starting them to find out whether or not Bafana had a good tournament, which were some of the individual players who did well. Is the coach under pressure? What do you think about Bafana? Are you happy? Are you not happy? Or maybe they performed at their level, because Bafana, of course, are not the best team in Africa. We'll find out from our analyst as well, Ujune, what he thinks about it. Before we do that, please make sure you subscribe and you like the content as well. And remember, we are sponsored by World Sports Betting. Junior Kanye is an ambassador of World Sports Betting. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. Yeah. You saw the tournament. I don't know. It's been 2 days since the last match. Are you angry? Are you sad? Of course, the tournament I come nandi my iqembu lethu lingekho kuyo. What do you feel about it now?
Yeah, ngikho brother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justo.
Just.
Benedict Sofilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise nabachita abangekho la kimi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting this TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. It's sad as a person while I South Africa. I mean, it's my home country. Very, very sad, true. But I had to face the reality. I mean, I was not convinced. I'm talking about the coach. I'm going to drive the coach in a one dimension. How to approach game. You come and defend your Viga, Indugu. You rather play draw. And then if they can take you to penalties, so we lose. It's win or lose. Like circulate. I believe go coach onjalo mina one dimension yabo approach game good I mean ngine plan A plan B you don't have plan C plan D plan E khona lapho. I wanted to see once good thing engizenzeke seeing this coach coaching a team, not a national team. Bengifuna ukumbona mabamniki preseason even the check how he was gonna sign players. Ngoba makafika la I think it's very arrogant. I need to say that. Arrogant kakhulu. It took him a while ukuzabiza ama play with Sundowns. I think they proved him several times. Wabona ukuthi I don't have a choice here. Mele ngibabize ngikhuluma ngabomshisha bomdawu, bona bomkwena. This coach makafika la usikhulumele way ama player we Sundowns ngikhuluma ngabomshishi bona bomrena. Babadala ngakhona. And wa continue team yakhe being criticizer, very critical ukuthi there's no philosophy. He just played ngama diagonal ball, second ball, rely on crosses, set pieces. That's all. So Guaya and then at least I think I'm a papo wabiza ama play Sundowns. Manga check nguleko going to AFCON last year. Let me say this. We had about 8 team. Namhla somebody I think social media bengibonisa lo mfana Musa. Kuna player 8 to Sundowns, which is Umshishi. Utebucho Mkwena, back for Sundowns and the goalkeeper. We are only the player. Nkulumanga last AFCON. We are and this boy who evident Mahopa. Yes, Percy from a Sundowns player.
Product.
Yes. So Rulani, Sundowns went top. So the coach, he was privileged. In fact, I think Lapa now thank you. I'm gonna go with that. All of the sudden, ngeke team. After Rulani, now Rulani left, Sundowns is sinker. But the Sundowns, they are no longer convincing now. We need to be realistic. Now, national team had to decline as well. It tells you we foundation good with Sundowns. Well done to Pirates players, individual, Ben Kuluma, now one of the kickoff.
Yeah, they did contribute as well.
Yeah, but the truth is, we need to be faced the truth. Pirates, they never done so well in continental football. They never reached the final of the Champions League. They did very well last year, semi-final, but this year eliminated before even semi-final. Those are talented players that are not ready in the top, like a tournament, a major tournament like that. After 3 years, probably you can say, really one of the best for me. Nkotha, yes, umfana talente, but and Mbogazi as well, I don't think they were ready for that tournament. So, coach, he played na Kim Shaile also. Gune criminal squad, you already qualified for a World Cup, already qualified for AFCON. You bring in a criminal squad. Give me raise some questions. I'm not too sure. Gucci bekafuna ukwenzani ngoba ngihlale ngisuspect that this coach uspana nama agent. All of the sudden njengamanje uya kuma group stages ngeteam le qualify ku AFCON. Qualify World Cup. You go there, awudlalisa borile, awudlalisi yena lo mchita lo Obas, you're not playing Sbisi, even at club level is not even playing Kabini. I don't know where you come from, and then you go, what? Not even convincing. I think he was not tested. Things were straightforward to go Angola. Also in the game, Zimbabwe not tested against Cameroon. Character.
And the Egypt game before your red card as well.
Egypt and Cameroon.
Yeah.
He was exposed 2 games there. And then Azangabe nama answer. Gula Ramchiti failed the play going to the tournament and not convincing even in the group stages. Upumile, yes, he was lucky, fortunate enough. Lucky guy. Tested Egypt in Lille. Mhlambe after red card gula sibona khona, but angeke kuze City bafana on top of their game after these guys were eliminated nge red card. Cameroon not convincing. Some chances, yes, we can talk about, but unfortunately azange swathatha ama chance. Those guys took their chances. The best team had to win. So I'm not disappointed. Going to the tournament, I was not convinced. And the standard of Betway Premiership, a question mark of it. People, they can say whatever they want. We're watching the game week in and week out. The only team that was performing now this year is Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, they were very good.
And a young team. Yeah. You can't rely on those
Yeah,
kids.
it is a very young team.
Yeah, you can't rely on those players. First, I'm a player that first season, I'm second season. Umboga's first season, really second season. Unkota's second season. Going to the couple in general, you can't. Those are experienced players. So the coach, Ushai playing in selection, also is trying to please some agent. Abu Kabini, I don't understand why Mdiba to be eliminated to that game. Why approaching game was 7 defenders? Velunjala was not surprised. There was no way chances to score. There was no number. Nkulmange attack. Game it being a copalance. Nkulmange game is Cameroon. People can talk about chances, but if you can be realistic, balance game, Nkulmange defense and attack be balance now. No. We had numbers less up front, which is really Ulomchiti Froster.
Police.
That's all. You can't say Tebza was number 8. I can't say this because Tebza, we know he played defensive midfield to go Sundowns. He's good at that position. So, I'm not surprised. It is eliminated. I think it deserves it. Especially Zandla. Well, I never I never played the AFCON. I need to be realistic. They did very well with Bas Cholebala, Baba selector, those players. They did their best, but let's face the fact, I don't think we're good enough to win that tournament.
Yeah, for sure. Winning the tournament was never my idea. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that there are other people, I don't know, maybe it's hype and the fact that South Africa is one of the countries in Africa that have social media, so it's social media. So the expectation is raised to win. We were never going to win. I think that last 16 is a fair place for us to be eliminated, given the strength of our players, the experience as well. When you look at you mentioned the point of Betway Premiership and the quality of those players. Could there have been more? Njengoba siphumile last 16, I think this is where we belong. Can you get more from them? Because most of them are from the Betway Premiership, and we love the Betway Premiership. It's our local league, of course. Can you get more from them? Can you push them even at World Cup? Quarter final now, or izingalayo nezingalabadlali will always give you maybe group stages?
I always speak about development properly. Some of the team in South Africa, we don't take development. Ben Kulma, I can't remember, I was talking about, I was so privileged in Guleguspana no Ted, in fitting Fundile. He was like a father to me. Being no Gumshali around in you, yet a book, a baby's and maximal. That coach, Unkai platform, and I was coached before. Got promoted by his student Sako Farouk Khan. They make me understand the game on and off the field.
Sure.
Development, it's a longer process in feature. Whether one by believe or I will say this time and time. Sfunama cut and paste. In Betway Premiership, we take players about SAP, APC Municipal League, even APC Municipal League Championship. But la Betway Premiership. Now when you figure out 25, 26, no matter 23, who champions zonke le teach. You will perform to the certain level. To those tournaments, they cannot perform. Into engayigeleza from the coaches lawo engikhuluma ngawo. I-development kuleke balekile. Yabona, I can tell you now, if we had this Relebogile Mofokeng about 10, Abombokazi about 10, you had the chance. Also, Vet Boy, Mhlamba by 10. Bone chance of it. Ngoba i-development akunama cut and paste. You prepare those players ngikhuluma psychologically, like i-character, also the talent we are in nature. To the bigger stages, ngikhuluma ngabe junior international level, ba-graduate. It's very important. Lama player ngikhuluma ngawo, they're not even going to those tournaments. Ngikhuluma bona bo-COSAFA, even the World Cup under 20, under 23, bo-Toulon Cup. Ama-tournament a-serious lawo, ngikhuluma ngama-junior international. Thina sifuna lawo ma-player kuphethwe i-premiership just ukuphendula i-standard sethu. Angeke size sikhule. We rely on players APC Municipal League, SAB. DTC Sharp, I think kunama players engasho ukuthi I can single them out. Not wonke ama team. Mhlawumbe I can say eteamini one kuna 1 or 2 3. That's all. Not the whole squad kulama team. So nje ukuphendula iphethwe premiership, I think the standards kuze sibe average. Unless it's improved because of those players, type of players that we've got. Development, I think, is jumpy stages. Development, it's light. It's like masculine development. I choose to stay discussed for India match. Yeah.
And of course, it's something that's not going to happen now. Every time you develop people, if from Kalana 12, you're going to have to wait 10, 15 years to see the final result. Let me ask you about some of the individual performances. Mshayeli Zandri Mbokazi, he helped us a lot in this tournament, covering a lot for the players. Trying to think, Utebs and I is a level where Udala normal is not underperforming, is not overperforming. And I was saying to Ubobo Uti Izolo Mashuta Uti, maybe there's a problem. Uti he's been playing since about under 17. Olympic, under 20 World Cup, all of these tournaments that maybe you just need to give him 2 months away from football. Maybe he will come back better. I wanted to talk about the good performers and also why did some of the people who couldn't perform, what happened to them, Abongezana, Abosipombule as well.
Yeah, one, football normal levels. If you cut and paste, uzo perform today, kuzoba nesili. You understand? Uzowadlala in front of your fans, at home. You can call your family and see them at any given time. Psychologically, you are free. The body language, you are always happy. You can go to any place, restaurant nearest, you know them. When you walk, people knows you. Now you have to go and travel to Morocco. People, they don't know you much. No man have certain people by Bugatti pay to a premiership, but I don't think those people, they are interested much. So, Gunama player that was Shady Zandri, one of them did very well.
Yeah.
But now I was tested. If you check it, go to Zimbabwe. But everybody
they beat his midfielder.
Yeah.
And then Bazaguye. And every now and then you will lose duels.
Yeah, but Mfana, Mshayeli Zandri, first tournament, major tournament. First season, first major tournament. He did very well, that boy. Even on qualifications, qualifying games, Nkulmange World Cup, also AFCON. He did very well, this boy. Mshayeli Zandri, same Nkulmange tournament, and Mdao did very well for me. Mdao.
Yeah, he never actually lost a 1v1 with any attacker.
I need to be honest, but none other than that, the rest in Nkulmange squad. Ronwen failures now. Some point to Ronwen. Ronwen did very well last AFCON, but now Ronwen, I'm so sure he knows good things. Each and every game, whether a friendly, whether an official game, I'm not too sure. Even in the World Cup, I'm going to start.
So you think there's a question? Is the number one in South Africa?
Yes, even the body language, Ronwen, as an experienced player, I'm expecting more man from him. NH, I understand, this is a leader, he kept in the club. Not way I mean, Gunama questions, Ronwen, long in Boni.
And it did well. It did well in the last 4 or 5 years.
Yes, I mean.
Unfortunately, Mhlambi figures cuts decliner, but he did well before this.
No. One of the best talent after Kune for me. It's the second choice after Kune. Kune number 1, number 2. Because now the talent. Right, he at his peak. The last 3-4 years, even last AFCON, so I'm not too sure going to the World Cup. Senkulman tournament didn't have a good tournament. Also, it defends Abongezana.
Yeah, I was worried about the fact that Ungezana as Mbonanga Guma qualifiers. And also there was one qualifier still in Aboswat Sudan where it was him, not Dotli, where there were questions. And he wasn't playing recently. I don't understand why would he play exactly with major tournament.
That's why even this guy is working with so many agents. Agents are playing major role. With Amzali is playing. All of Njobusho, we qualify kulama group qualifying games. It was time la bekeba khona friendly games. It comes ngikhuluma ngalama qualifying games la World Cup, also AFCON. Not much oyibonile kwe regularly. Now all of a sudden in the major tournament you start with him and Bogas. Very vital position. Mabadlula kulabantu it's a goal. I don't think there was understanding between them. Also Yaya. Question mark about that guy. Yeah. He come from a long injury and then mangabu fakuya abuya kwinjury ende kangaka. Nomshishi mdonze. Just bring ngithi buya kwinjury umshishi. Bring him kunama question mark.
Yeah, that was I don't understand that.
Yeah, another stuff nkuleko. Lama player lawo, these are two players ngisasho umndawo mina and Bogazi ngibashaya. I'll sing them out. Abachita badlalile. It's just a true I think some of the players, you mentioned something important la. Or even if those teams, let me say countries, they are not so good, but they've got individual players who are playing major leagues in Europe and playing regularly. I mean,
they can come up with moments.
Yeah.
I was watching Egypt where mangabe izinto zenzeki, but one individual can come. Yeah, Salah, Ashur, Trezeguet. Someone can come up with a moment. No Brahim Diaz. Brahim Diaz who saved Morocco good game where it was just going to be 0-0.
I saw.
In the second half, he comes up. It's an
on
awkward angle.
Tight angle.
Yeah, but it's an awkward angle and he scores. So we didn't have that, Tina.
We didn't have special players.
Yeah, special players in individual moments.
Yes, we didn't have special players. Also in Sasha Namanji playing a coach man kulma nange plan. Wamba nalo mfano Campbell. Wamba nalo mfano buya ku Stellenbosch is playing in Europe.
Smith, yeah.
And then Ushia Okrenkekana, with the experience is playing Champions League, week in, week out playing. He's a champions now. He won
I don't know. Ikram Reyners, I don't know what he did to that coach.
Ikram Reyners, he went to World Cup.
Club World Cup.
He
performed so well.
Too much. He even scored. Not just as a striker setting up. And then Chemi Kosilochi went to Club World Cup. And then you drop those players. Those players, you just overlook them. It personally is not all about the ground in a result. So you take these two players to go and sit on the stands. Ngiyazi ukuthi intwana, you know nkuleko mfethu nentwana unorile. Unomfana lo nkocha. You also have, yes, those two players and also Mbogazi. Uthatha abafana and not intwana but they can play. So usithathile intwana, it's enough, you grow them up. And then these two basapi. So even Matuidi,
yeah, I think it was there, if I'm not mistaken.
Shocking, faith. Where was Matuidi going? Like Mfunuken Matuidi fire.
He was there.
So coach.
And he came from a very long injury, like 7 months.
I understand, I remember. So coach him the plan. One of my favors foot and there's players and my personal egos with them. I'm not too sure it's him or somebody is telling him. So
yeah, it's a pity just on this point, Junior. It's a pity because Ugoza match that World Cup, we'll watch Ikram Reyners. Because as you always say, you're only good as given a platform. That means Ikram Reyners is going to go back to Sundowns. If he scores 15 goals, Gushuguti, even if I still score those 15 goals, phakathi kwamanje in the World Cup in June, in the 6 months, is this guy still going to call me? Uloch, what does he have to do? Yeah, I don't like bringing his name up because but to be fair, you are not a god. You can't kill people's careers.
You can't.
What if he scores 20 goals, Uloch, phakathi kwamanje no June? Are you not going to pick him? And I think this is a problem. All the best performing players. If Ukhrobla, we spoke about Ukhrobla at the beginning of the season. We call it season Ukhrobla. He scored, I think, 6 goals.
Well, yeah.
And yes, is the highest goal scorer in the history of PSL. He's chasing Ushaluli. Now the question is, if it's not about performance, what is it about?
Yeah, it's personal. For me, somebody either is telling him not to pick Loch. I'm not too sure who are those people. Because if it goes with performance, Uloch is the best player in Morocco as we speak. Khrobla highest, if not second or third, ever goal scorer in Betway Premiership.
Ikram Reyners qualifies. He played the qualifiers.
Udlala Champions League as we speak, a top goal scorer. Even if Betway Premiership is not amongst Club World Cup, he did so well. Amchita scoring crucial games against best players about Dortmund. So as a coach, you gonna boost good wenzeni. And now you Mchita lo ukekana una personal vendors. Either it's him or listen to someone. Ngoba uRenas bekadlala kuza nje kulama group stages. Noma ngabe une injury. Joba ngisho uyaya. bekabuya kwinjury as far as I heard mangizwa ama-reports. So you bring him, you start the game. Even ngikhuluma nge-official game ku-AFCON, amfethi kunama-personal vendors. Either it's him or somebody is telling him not to bring those players. And emfethi he said mina nkuleko how. So coaches failile. Bengikhuluma one of the platform yesterday, the coach failed us. Manje failile. If it was me, if it was a black coach that is from South Africa,
They would have fired him, obviously.
he was going to be fired today. Or
obviously.
in the morning, or after immediately we lose the game today, tomorrow morning fired.
And that's a shame. Because if it was a South African coach, yeah,
No, it's a truth.
especially if it was a black coach,
It's a sad truth
he
because
would have been fired.
Lomchita can come with his all excuse. Good I mean, lebe bangang trip guarantee or hotel and stuff. They will believe him. But going to World Cup, go again, coach. Even if we're not going, which is, I believe, I don't think we'll go out. Go group stages. Guna team week. But if Lago of course, so Zimbabwe goes over Kulama national team going there, they are prepared, structured. We're going to be tested for real. And every nation, I'm talking the world, will watching. And my players will maintain that. Bazogwas compete. Everybody, every league close. So I think the coach failed. Certain players, Jobu Shumbule, I love Mbule, but I think now Mchita need to be honest, unama level Mchita. Melengibe never, being my expectation, but Imshaidi AFCON. So Inchedi Gutumbule na way level. I need to be realistic.
Let's wrap it up then. How do you think South Africans think about this? Bayibona kanjani abalandeli bebhola lento ukuthi is this a failure or mhlambe adlale lamajita angenile kwi-knockout stages, adlale grand, so hamba nawo siye kwi-World Cup. How do you think the country is thinking about this?
South Africa can lose 7 today. Our Bafana fans, they will come in 3 days, 4 days after ilanga lanamhlanje. They will have hope high. Because when did we last win AFCON? I think 96.
30 years.
30 years, but we still have that hope. We understand, and Sine believe we might go through World Cup mhlawumbe.
Oh, they might think they will win the World Cup.
No, honestly,
I
because
think some people think that.
and we don't blame people, but through not just when effect is calling my fans. We need to, yes, everybody in opinion, but as been realistic now. I mean, mina ukuphendula nje kahle ukuphendula le question ongibuze yona. Ama fans, we as South Africans, we've got this thing yokuthi Bafana will go and win the World Cup. If not, singafika uma knockout. But not believe good anything can happen. Because they will still support. Yes, many support. Yes, there are players, but if effectively they say ring, we don't have a chance World Cup at all. Our players did very well for themselves. Individual, I would say, compliment with selection team, but on the field, I think I'm very struggling. We never live up to our expectations.
Besides what you want, do you think Safa will fire him? Ushugo Pros. Besides you,
yes,
what you think?
Coaching Joban is an international coach. This guy is from Belgium. They've got the trust. If just go pendula, but if it was Pitts or Rulani, irrespective of what they've won, they've achieved, immediately loser. Magabuya, coach, you are fired.
There you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was the discussion here, African Cup of Nations, trying to just summarize what we saw there. Bafana, of course, won 2 matches. They lost 2 matches out of 4. So, I mean, I suppose 50-50. That's not bad. I don't think that South Africa was going to win the African Cup of Nations. I am not too disappointed. I think they were dropped off where I thought they were going to be dropped off. I thought quarterfinal or maybe last 16. Those were my 2 choices. And they fell off exactly there. The concern, of course, with Hugo Bros going forward is that number 1 is probably going to be at the World Cup, whether we like it or not. Now, the question will be that still we're going to see 8 defenders. Ubobo izorushilo ukuthi njengoba bekana 7 defensive players, he's going to play 8 now. He was going to think, bangishayile ku-AFCON, now let me be safer even more. So that's what we're going to watch. And of course, as a Belgian coach, he's going to have the privilege of that. He's going to be able to go to the World Cup. As Junior was saying, that if it was a South African coach, I'm pretty sure that he would have been fired before the plane lands in South Africa. There we are. Then we'll come back when we come back. Thank you so much for watching us. It is Good TV. It is Good Times. We're also spetting.
All about Fetu. This is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to It Is Good TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to It Is Good TV.